Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change your Chrome homepage wallpaper using JavaScript. First, open Chrome and press Ctrl+Shift+J or Cmd+Option+J to open the console. Paste this exact code that I got from the ChatGPT in the console. You can also generate one ChatGPT itself. Just paste it here, and you will see a text called replace this with your base 64 string. So just basically select it and delete. Then go to a website called image to base 64 converter and choose any image that you want to add as your Chrome home screen and click on Convert to Base 64. You will get this very long code. And select all and copy all the code. As you can see, I have already copied the code. Just copy all of it and go back to Chrome again. And just paste the code where it said, replace this with your image. Base 64 string, paste it there, and click Enter. We have successfully updated the Chrome homepage wallpaper by running a simple JavaScript snippet in the console to instantly change the background image. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.